Oh, you can't keep a good dog down. No, you can't keep a good dog down. You guys ever see All Dogs Go to Heaven? That's the theme. You can't keep a good dog down. Hi, you guys. I really want to apologize for I heard behavior earlier, but it is what it is. I mean, it had to be said, evidently. You know, there's something about that. Evidently. Evidently, it just had to go that way. Kind of like the green. I think I like that green better. No, you can't keep a good dog down. No, you can't keep a good dog down. Go to my post tab. I put that little clip in there. All dogs go to heaven. I love that. So cuties. So, I just got out of the shower. I feel good. You know, every time you take a shower or you go to use your restroom or you go to your job, do you just stop and say, thank you, I'm blessed. It's a luxury, baby. Not everybody has. You know? Something bit me on the back of my leg. On my leg hole. Oh, God, you guys. When just breathing is too much for you. So, we're in it. We're in it. We're in it. We're in it. What are we in? I don't know. I rightly don't know. What does that say? Discernment. Use your discernimenti. Why did I pick? You know, the Rider-Waite deck keeps calling to me. Keeps calling me. It keeps calling me. Yeah. I said it keeps calling me, and then the light came up. Awareness when you're dreaming, maybe? That's all the way over there. I'm not getting it. I'm not getting up. Felicia. I'm not getting up, Felicia. Magical feelings. And there's a decision to make. You know what? What just came through? If you haven't figured anything out yet, you figured out what you want. Or at least you figured out what you no longer want. I didn't want to put it that way, but that's the best way to put it. At least now you know what it is you don't want. So you can focus on what it is you do want. Shebang. Wow. I'm digging it. Totally digging it. What does that say? Can't even see it. You're almost there, pretty one. May the source be with you. Thank you for the unexpected income. My ears are going off. You are being divinely guided. What we really need to do, oh God, is right over that. I'll pause you. Plausible? Pause. There, how's that? Is that more better? Is that more better? Relocation. But you already knew that. Highest timeline, I heard, right? About to get a switch up. There's about to be a fucking switch up. Too many. But we'll use frequency. It's all just frequency and vibration. What are you guys doing on the full moon? Can you feel it? Strangers in the night. Bum, 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 bum. Is this dress too tight? I don't know. Stupid. Stupid. So what's going on? I saw 531. You guys totally pissed at me for giving those messages. I heard what my spirit team is telling me is, she got guts. 555. She true grit. She got guts to put herself out there and talk a bunch of shit where I can be attacked, you know, verbally, whatever. I'm like, they're like, we got it. You do your thing, boo boo. You do your thing, boo chicken. You do your thing, we gotcha. From the sidelines. I do notice one thing, you know, when I'm having to go upload shit, you know, and then I have to go put my description in. I do notice that when I start talking and spitting true, real good shit, well, I'm always spitting good shit, except for when I'm not, but usually I always am, yeah. That's how they tell me. I get less views. Even my shorts. I'm not meant for everyone. I'm not everyone's cup of tea. You're not everyone's cup of tea. So, you know, we have to give you love. And tough love is part of it, okay? God, your higher self, source, the universe loves you, your family, your spirit guides, your everything. They love you so much. That's why they have harsh things to tell you at times. It's out of love. Love is all you need. Are you listening? Oh, my eyes. My eyes adore you. So, you got this. You so got this. Okay, we're going to have to switch up the thing now. If we're going to be doing that, how do we make it stop? There we go. Whoa. Whoa. That is fucking bright. All dogs go to heaven. You hear that, puppies? All you puppies go to heaven. Where's Belly Bell? Where's Belly Bell? Where's Belly Bell? I need you here, Belly. I need you here with me. I need you here with me. I need you here with me. Dreamer. Nothing but a dreamer. Can you put your hand? I need to drink water. I had a tickle in me throat. I saw 936, and 936 is still it's a 9-9 endings, which is 18, which is still 9. We got a full moon. We got something being revealed to you in the full moon. I don't know where I got that from, but I got that from this. 2. They go out 2 by 2. They go out 2 by 2 on the wheel of fortune. And that's an 18. We were just talking about that. So, there you go. You have the world and 9 of air on the bottom. 9 of swords. I'm hearing you took those swords and you made steps out of them to the higher realm. Oh, that's fucking great. Those swords, you pulled them out of your back, you stuck it in the wall, you made steps to get you to the higher realms, to the top of the mountain. We gotta write this down. Bow show. Oh. Took the swords, took the knives in your back. Oops. You did it! Yay! We built this city on rock. You know, they built these cities off of the sweat, the blood, the bones, I'm hearing, of your ancestors, of the people that came before us. We're taking it back. See, if you want history, his story to repeat itself, well, they didn't expect the likes of us to be here. Stop in the name of love. Think it all over. Get 'em. Just hush it. I gotta get out of this room. It's like 82 degrees in here. I need to lay in my bed, but I fucking can't. It's too hot. It's stifling. There's no wind. There's no air. It's a fucking heat box. But I had to come in here to do this. Oh my God. Think it all over. 10 of Swords. Yeah, you took them, and then you're like, look what I built. Look what I have. We're stuck down here in the ravine, and we need to get to the top, to the paradise. I heard to the land of the lost. We need to get up there. Look, I made steps out of all these swords. Here, let me take the swords out of your back. We just need a few more, right? Overcomers. That's what you are. Unforgettable. Alright, we're out of here. I love you guys. Thanks for being here. And hey, this is all just part of it. If I saw recognition in future was hanging down low. So I saw that too. The future. So in the future, you're going to be recognized for what you are. Until then, you're just a stranger in the night. Collecting souls. This one goes to hell. No, I'm kidding. You're already in hell. Just know that. Use your discernment. Hell's not really a place. It's a feeling. It's an emotion. It's a mind thing. I heard a mind trap. That came out again. Bottom. They said, grab the little top one. You know? What is it I need? Abundance. What is it I need? A place where people can go to be happy and be merry and be loved. That's what I need, God. People, hear me. I'm the shepherd. Been here before. Done this. It's okay, I love you. As I send you to hell, I love you anyway. That's just a matter of speaking. Oh my God, who does she think she is? That's who she thinks she is. Again, you're stuck and fixated on the fucking human. You're still looking at my human going, who the fuck does she think she is? Have you bothered to see my soul? You know what's one thing Jesus worried about? Not really worried about, but what he said? Many speak my name, but they don't even know who I am. Ding, ding, 1551. Ding, ding. Charge. Ding, ding, ding. You wouldn't know Jesus if he was standing in front of you. If he was born into your family. If he was talking to you, giving you love the whole time you were stabbing him in the back. Fucking nailing him to a cross. Notification. See what I mean? Ba-dum-ba-dum-ba. You spit on Jesus' name, I'm getting. You're horrible viper generation. You think it's all glory? Glory hasn't happened yet. Glory days. No, I love you guys. One day I won't be doing this anymore. Would you even fucking care? Maybe I'll let y'all die dumb. There is that. I can say, hey, I'm not going to communicate from the ethers, from the divine, from the source, and give you people free information to free your soul while you shit on the human. While you shit on my human. Think about that. Peace.